Guys, you want to check out this airdrop? Market data is not tracked yet, but currently have about 3 million users, CoinMarketCap 3.8 million CoinMarketCap users. Currently having these on your watch list and participating on these already. So you want to add it to your watch list, clicking on here. Pax.World has been added to our watch list successfully. If you want to check more on this project, you can go over to the official website Pax.World. Then also, this is a Metaverse Web 3.0 tagged project. Currently, I have about 6 days left for this token airdrop, so you want to take note of that. It's going to be ending March 14th. All you need to do is click on join airdrop and you're good to go. So this is an NFT based airdrop where they will be giving out 1050 NFTs to 1050 winners. So you want to take note of that. The winners are usually randomly selected, so you want to participate and make sure you do all the tasks that are needed. So after our successful $5.8 million raise, Pax.World will drop 1050 NFTs worth about $50,000. So apparently, this should be worth about a minimum of about $50 for each of these NFTs, or more, say to 1050 lucky participants. So if you want to check out value, that should be. Pax.World is a metaverse with a fully working product. So I think if you get this NFT reward, you can also go over to the official website Pax.World Marketplace to sell it off. So Pax.World is a metaverse with a fully working product created to allow people to socialize via an inbuilt conference video, build worlds, purchase land, and NFTs. So the hero of Pax.World is Charity. She helps our community to navigate and operate in the woods. So participate in the following NFT airdrop for the chance to receive one of the Pax.World rare NFTs. So this is a rare NFT giveaway. So add it to your watch list. That's the first step. Second step, join Discord. Follow them on Twitter, Facebook. Like and retweet their pin post. Tag 3 of your friends with hashtags Pax.World, hashtag Pax.W, and hashtag CoinMarketCap. To learn more, you can also go over to the Medium post to check more on these guys. Pax.World is responsible for distributing these rewards, so you want to take note of that. So guys, if you have any questions, let us know. As you like is I'll drop in the links in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updates whenever we drop our beneficial uploads. Guys, peace out. See you in our future uploads. One love and stay safe.